Yo, what's up guys? How you doing? I know I haven't put out a video in a while, but you know, hand's still broken, can't ride the dirt bike. Still going down that road, but everything is getting better. I'm in Providence, Rhode Island at the Hilton with Heather for my honeymoon. So we're taking a little 3-day trip and rain just stopped. We're gonna go outside, walk around. I figured since I'm on a little vacation, I might as well get some footage, try to record something and see if I can make a little video for you guys. So here we go, we're gonna go walk around. So we just got this scooter thing, but I'm trying to get mine set up so we can find one for Heather. Oops. We just found another one for Heather, but these huge storm clouds are moving in, and we're about to get drenched. What the hell? I swear, anytime we try to go do something, we get hit by a goddamn microburst. I don't even know how to shut these scooters off. It's just beautiful out. For like a half an hour, it was hot. Oh, we just made it back to the hotel. We rode here the whole way in pouring rain. And now the sun's coming back out again. Hey, there's a rainbow over there. Soaking wet. Well, we made it back to the hotel out of the rain. And as you can see, the sun is coming back out. And yeah, of course we got soaked though. Probably should have given you a hotel tour while this was still clean, but check out this kitchen. This room is pretty sweet. It's got like, we got our own kitchen, a microwave, stove. There's a light. Whoa. That's not the light, this is the light. Here we go. We got like a full kitchen here with a full-size fridge and freezer. And we got like a desk here that's covered in crap. But this is a pretty sweet room. Our bathroom sink out here, and then shower. Ooh, listen to that. That's high end.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me.
So we're leaving Providence now. We're gonna head down to Newport, Rhode Island. I have a reservation for a bed and breakfast down there. And we're gonna spend one night there, see what that place is all about, and then head home Friday. Alright guys, we just got to this bed and breakfast. You can see it here behind me. It's really nice.
And the lights are out and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call me. Just call me. Just call me.